This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 30 FE is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 10, microwave, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, skylight, LP detector, external shower, self-contained, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk beds, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Freedom Elite 30 FE is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.